How many of the 5 items in the left-hand column are exactly the same as the corresponding entry in the right-hand column? So we're looking to see if in each row the words are identical or the same. Now, if we look at the first row, we can see there's some pretty big words here. So we're actually going to break it up like a phone number, separate it into pieces so our minds have an easier time comparing. So the first row, we'll do SAP, and then we'll do ACTI, and we can see we've also got ACTI on the right, ENGES, cells shaft, and we've got cells shaft. So we can see they're identical. If I had just looked at these words, it would have been really hard to see, so we have to break it up. For the second row, we've got international and international, uranium, and co and corp. So there's our first difference, the co and the corp at the end. For the third row, highway, holdings, limited and limited. Now, we may think they're the same, but if you look at the end of limited on the right, there is a full stop at the end. And this is a trick they use in this test, of putting in a comma or a full stop to try and confuse you. The fourth row, EK Sport. So EK Sport, we'll highlight that. And EK Sport, finance, and then finance. So we can see our second difference here, finance and finance. So we'd have to continue as we know it's not the same. And the final row, Smith and, nephew, PLC, and PLC. So as the question is asking us, how many rows are the same or identical? We can see here that the first row and the last row are the same, so our final answer is 2.